the supreme leader. It doesn't matter what I think of Iran. It's up to the Iranian people. It's not up to the United States and the European Union and everybody else to tell a sovereign country how they should run their country, and they were not threatening anybody.
We know what we're doing. We're Iranian. I don't know what they are doing.
Well, we're protesting because this is a new war that Trump and Netanyahu have created. It's totally illegal. There's no UN resolution. It's against US law. It hasn't been taken to the Congress. They were allegedly discussing with the Iranians 2 weeks previously. It sounded good from the minister from Oman, thought they had something on Friday evening, and we wake up on Sunday to hear that Trump and Netanyahu have bombed Iran, and they're extrajudicially killing people. We have no love for the Iranian regime in any means, but this is purely an imperialist war. There's no question of it. So that's why we're here. We say hands off Iran, no more war.
So I think it's absolutely reprehensible that our government cannot condemn what's happened. It is a breach of international law. The Spanish Prime Minister was able to say so. What is wrong with our government that they cannot defend the rights of sovereign nations?
We're counter-protesting people before profit because they're out here protesting that they want the US military and Israeli to end. And basically they don't know anything about the Iranian people. We are the Iranian people. There's no Iranian people over there. And they're just making their own ideologies, and they're not listening to the majority of the Iranians that have asked for regime change. They want to move away from this regime. For 47 years, they have oppressed people, and they have not made any changes to the government to make it any less dictatorship-like.
We're happy with what is happening. We're hoping to take over the country by people, and we bring our Crown Prince Reza Pahlavi as a leader of transition. Then we're gonna have a ballot box to decide what kind of government we want to have, what kind of actually system we want to work. Then we know what we're doing. We're Iranian. I don't know what they are doing.